And if we talk about like most, as you mentioned, like press release and citations work really well for you. If we talk about the best type of links anyone can build in 2025, what are the top 3 recommendations that always work and will keep on working regardless of the updates that come in and out?
So I would still just go for guest post outreach. At the end of the day, you've got that contextual page that's optimized for your keyword, that's linking to your site, and that's always going to have value. Obviously, digital PR is fantastic, but it's difficult, it's expensive.
Also slow sometimes.
Yeah. At the end of the day, you just need a volume of links. So once you've done your foundations of the press release, the citations, then I'd be starting to do outreach. Maybe throwing in maybe some expired domain redirects or a few cheeky PBNs or something.
Okay. And again, as you mentioned, like cheaper PBNs, what are your thoughts on PBNs in 2025? Are they working better than ever? Because like we're in the conference and you know, we were in right now, I guess you were also there in Charles Black Hat Day. A lot of people are saying that it's the best time to build PBN around. So what are your thoughts on this? Like, are PBNs working or not that good enough?
Yeah, so there's this difference between private blog networks and public blog networks.
Yeah.
You can go to a marketplace and spend $7. You've got no idea
where you're getting links from.
So they've probably got some DR5 expired domain with no traffic that's linking out to 100 different websites.
A lot of high ID, OBL.
So yeah, ultimately you want to build your own PBNs. But the good news about that is it's now easier than ever thanks to the AI. So you can get an expired domain, throw up some content on there, and it's never been easier. So why wouldn't you do that? So at the end of the day, you can get a good domain for a couple of $100, and I think of it less of these massive spammy networks and more about just 5 to 10 solid satellite sites that are very relevant, very powerful, and you only need to manage 10 of them at once, something like that, rather than going out constantly building these $20 domains at volume that don't actually have much power.
Okay.